What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Doing a little M5, you know how it goes. Soon, I think next video, I'm gonna go to, oh, I didn't bring my keys. I wanna show you guys the shop. Actually, I think I'm gonna go get the keys and show you guys the freaking shop, dude. It's so nice, bro. Right now I'm taking out the carpets because it's nasty. But I'm just excited that we got it, bro. We got it at such a good deal. And luckily I have a good credit score and I put enough down to where, you know, they trust me. Definitely, bro, it's a huge expense, but it's so worth it, bro. This is the best. This is the only way I'm actually gonna really grow in the industry I'm in. So I'm hyped, boys. I'm hyped. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good right now. Come on, pop, baby, pop. Woo! Let's go. So since I have both cars, I don't know where I put my head mount. Oh my gosh. So I plan to fill that shop up. Once I fill that shop up, which will probably take me a year of just grinding out, dude. Boys, I've been working 5 hours a day minimum. Most days I'm working like more than that. And yesterday I worked around 17 hours, bro. And I love it. I freaking love it. I enjoy this job. I come home and waste time anyways, bro. So might as well make some more money, put it in different places. Definitely having employees choose up all my profits. But dude, that's, you know, it's fun. At least I can build a team, build friendships with everyone. And it's like teamwork, you know? Like, this is a good freaking job. I mean, I personally freaking love it. So I'm happy to be able to give the same opportunity to other people. And then hopefully someday I can make my own pistons, my own rings. I want to make my own engine block one day, because literally the machines I work on make not only engine blocks but freaking rockets, bro. That's what's so sick, dude. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed, boys. Like everything comes with luck, but it's like the same thing, like being born with talent but no discipline. The talent is useless. I am so happy that I worked my butt off with the opportunity I was given. Like, I am so blessed that I was focused in, dude, because if I didn't work my butt off and learn these machines, dude, I would be at such a disadvantage. Like, I'm so thankful, man. I give all glory to God, man. I'll tell you that. All glory to God. Oh my. So yeah, the next plan, boys, is to get I was like thinking, like, I have a Hellcat, I have an M5, and the good thing about these cars is that since they're not supercars, the insurance is not too bad. Oh my goodness, the insurance is not too bad, and that's why I probably will keep these cars. So I think the next goal is obviously something supercar wise, and I'm looking to get like, obviously this is way out of my budget. This is like after I buy 5 freaking machines, but I want to buy SVJ, most likely use a little bit, maybe even a salvage one. That'd be the best bet. And I want a twin turbo, and I want to set it up to where I don't really care about the speed. I care about the sound, dude. Twin turbo. Come on, boys. Twin turbo V12. Like, I'm obsessed with V8 twin turbos, V8 superchargers. I want to get a V10 Huracan and twin turbo it. And now I'm talking about V12 freaking twin turbo. I think I'm gonna do that, because if I'm gonna freaking pay almost $2,000 for insurance here each month, bro, I'm going all out. Love this car. Even if it doesn't pop, bro, the turbo sounded freaking beautiful. Weak shifts for now. crazy. I freaking love this thing. I think even when I get the machines, I think I'm just gonna start upgrading this car just with my own, because you know how much cheaper it would cost me to to literally cut my own pistons. Like it's like 1/4 of the price. Oh my. I checked my brakes this weekend, and I have like 7mm left, but the right brakes sound kind of funky. So, or actually, it's not even squeaking. It's like making making a little noise. Dude. I don't know. They told me it's comp brakes, which is obviously these are sports brakes, but I think I need to just take off the wheel myself and check it out. ASMR, bro. Dude, does not want to pop her now. There we go. Every time I tap the pedal, that's how I can spam it. That's why you guys hear me spamming it, because I'm forcefully doing that. Dude, those turbos are crazy. Shifts right now, but no, the last one was actually really good. But before that, there's like a rhythm, bro. There's like you gotta push the pedal a certain way, shift a certain way, and it just sounds amazing, bro. I just got so freaking used to it because I've been doing it so freaking much. Homie's in the middle of the road. Oh my. Shift again. The turbo noise is crazy. When you can hear it suck in. I wish you could hear it even more vividly, because from the outside, of course, you can hear it because it's in the front. But I wish I could hear like I don't know. I wish there was a way to route it a certain way so I could hear it from like the inside really well, like how it is on McLarens. But it makes sense. The engine's behind you, so it's like kind of perfect. Just imagine a twin turbo SVJ. That is to me like the dream setup. The dream freaking setup, dude. Little rain POV. Oh, dude, this. I don't think it could get any better with these kind of cars, bro. The main reason why I don't like M4s, to be real with you guys, is the turbos, bro. I can't hear the turbos whistling from the exhaust. I don't even want it, bro. Oh my freaking goodness. But thank you guys for all the support, man. The last couple of videos got like 5K, over 5K. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like the video if you guys are enjoying it right now. And I rate these cars for you guys so you guys get the full freaking potential. car, dude, look at this thing, bro. Oh my goodness. I need to get a front splitter and side skirts still, but I wanted to. I don't know what, dude. I've just been so, dude. When you work, guys, I'm gonna be real. Time flies too much. That's why I started my own thing and hired guys instantly. Like, it's a huge expense, but time's gonna fly. Everything will work out for it's good, and I just love the way the curves are in this thing. Like, the new M5s do not have it like this curvy. Like, come on, bro. You can't go wrong with this one. I appreciate all the support, guys. You know, we don't stop grinding, you know what I mean? Find something that's you can learn, you know. Learn something special that nobody else knows. And the best part about that is that if you work for a company, you know, if they treat you well, bro, it's almost better than starting your own thing, because having business, bro, there's so much other things other than actually knowing how to do the job. There's a whole other side. And dude, if you're making good money at an employer and they pay you well and they take care of you, that's what matters, man. And I'm trying to do the same thing for my employees. That's why I have to go all out, try and maximize everything. Dude, this weather, bro, it's freaking, I love this weather. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more of these type of videos, make sure you subscribe. And boys, someday, soon, SVJ will come twin turbo that thing, and we're gonna be making POVs all the time. And then I need to get a Huracan so I can make like four POVs a week with all the cars I have. Dude, it's gonna be freaking amazing. But make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Boys, look at this freaking Ferrari. It's an older one, but dude, what he did to it is amazing. The carbon fiber does everything to that car. Interior goes crazy.